Hey everyone, just want to create a super quick video going over a new enhancement we just made to the metro areas following feature. So in Marketplace, if you make your way over to the metro areas tab, and we'll use New York City as an example, previously, if you hit this follow button, you were going to be following and notified on everything under the sun in New York City, no matter what account type, contact type, asset class coverage of those contacts, every job and role change, every AUM change, whether it's a pension, foundation, endowment, family office, RIA, everything under the sun, you were being notified on. The problem with that, you don't care about everything. You're only interested in a certain subset of data and you want to see what matters to you. That is exactly what we did here today. So now once you click follow, you'll be able to see a new pop-up where you could customize the types of updates that you want to receive. As you can see here, you could customize the specific account type. So for example, I'm only interested in family offices and RIAs in New York City. I will now only be notified on those specific account types. When there's changes, mentions in the news, stuff like that, I'll be notified on. Same thing goes for contacts. So if I only am interested in seeing job and role changes for CIO contacts, I'm able to do that here. And I also could get more specific on the specific asset class coverage. So I'm only interested in CIO contacts that cover private credit and private equity. Once I'm complete here and I'm satisfied with kind of my following, I'm able to click Save Selections. If I want to take it a step further, you can click this button right here to apply these selections to future metro follows. So if I go into the Boston metro area and I'm covering the same accounts, same contacts, and I don't want to do this whole process again, when I click this and I go into Boston, I click follow, it'll automatically generate these specific requirements. You click Save Selections, and from there, you are following exactly what you want. Hope this helps, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.